Hi, I'm Bob the Train. Do you want to go on an alphabet ride with me?
Yes!
A, B, C, and D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. W, X, and Y, and Z. Wasn't that fun? Let's start from Z this time. Z and Y and X and W. V and U and T and S. R and Q and P and O. N and M and L, K, J. I and H and G and F. E, D, C, and B, and A. One more time, starting from A. Let's all sing together now. A and B and C and D. E and F and G, H, I. J and K and L and M. N and O and P, U, R. S and T and U and V. W, X, and Y, and Z. Did you enjoy the alphabet with Bob the Train? See you again next time! Hi, I'm Bob! I know a merry little song all about phonics! Let me help you learn the phonics! Let's go! A is for apple, apple. A is for arrow, arrow.
A is for apple. A is for arrow.
B is for ball, ball. B is for balloon, balloon.
B is for ball. B is for balloon.
C is for car, car. C is for cloud, cloud.
C is for cloud. C is for car.
D is for door, door. D is for dog, dog.
D is for door. D is for dog.
E is for eggs, eggs. E is for earth, earth.
E is for eggs. E is for earth.
F is for fan, fan. F is for flower, flower.
F is for fan. F is for flower.
G is for green, green. G is for grass, grass.
G is for green. G is for grass.
H is for heart, heart. H is for hat, hat.
H is for heart. H is for hat.
I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for iron. Iron.
I is for ice cream. I is for iron.
J is for jar. Jar. J is for juice. Juice.
J is for jar. J is for juice.
K is for kettle. Kettle. K is for key. Key.
K is for kettle. K is for key.
L is for ladder. Ladder. L is for lamp. Lamp.
L is for ladder. L is for lamp.
M is for mailbox. Mailbox. M is for moon. Moon.
M is for mailbox. M is for moon.
N is for nail. Nail. N is for nine. Nine.
N is for nail.